Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make your Duolingo account private. Let's get started. First, open Duolingo and go to your profile by tapping the head icon at the bottom right of your screen. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to your settings. If you tap on the account privacy option, where the setting to make your account private used to be, you won't find it there. That's because Duolingo has changed its location. But don't worry, I'll show you where to find it. First, exit the Duolingo app and open your browser. Then go to Duolingo's official website at duolingo.com. Log into the account you want to make public. Once you're on this page, go to your profile by tapping the head icon. Then, navigate to your settings and scroll down to the last option, Privacy Settings. Tap on it and you'll see another option called Make My Profile Public, which is turned on. Before you make any changes, I recommend listening carefully as I quickly explain what happens when you turn this setting off. Your account will become private, meaning no one is able to find your profile and follow you. Additionally, you can't enroll in public leaderboards. Now that you know what happens when you make your account private, you can go ahead and disable this option. Once it loads for a moment, simply tap Save Changes, and you're all set. That's how you can make your account private on Duolingo. Thanks for watching.